So hello guys, this is me Pramukh from Fusion Striker. I know this is a YouTube channel of Pokemon, but now I'm going to give you extra entertainment, science, physics, chemistry, history, etc. etc. So today's topic is on science and physics. Now I'll show you a picture. Guess what is this? Okay, most of you might have guessed a glowing stick or a stick dance wala stick, but no. This is nothing of those. This is a lightsaber. I know some of you already know it's a lightsaber because it's written over here. But I'll tell you more about lightsabers. So lightsaber is a form of energy which is put into one strap of laser, and it has a metal coating to prevent the owner from getting burnt. So a basic lightsaber in Star Wars uses a crystal, some different type of electromagnetic charger which is still not invented on Earth, and and a small 4AA battery. That, but there's a problem. Small AA battery are actually very less because this our lightsaber needs a lot of energy, and unlimited energy doesn't come from those AA batteries in. I'll tell you. So my idea is to use atoms. I'll show you what an atom is. Atom is something like this. Can you see atoms? So atom, here's the neutron, the red are the neutron and the blue here are the proton. They make one big circle and electrons will be roaming around them like planets, like rotating around the sun and like that. So what I'm thinking, we'll have a small hole in our lightsaber. One second. Lightsaber. Small hole in a lightsaber. See, here's a lightsaber. This is a type of button. Now let's make it a hole. So it consumes all the atoms in, and it makes it into a what they call, it divides the atoms. You have seen protons and electrons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons are, are normal, which are the core part. Electrons are, electricity which roams around them freely. So they divide this, and the protons and neutrons are sent out, like shooted like missiles or something outside, but you can't feel them because they are very tiny. And here there will be a big battery over here, and the atoms go in. Not the atoms, electrons. So when we press this other button, what happens? The atoms get excited. Not atoms, I'm getting confused. Electrons get excited. Excited is the word which they tell for getting electrified for this thing. So after it gets excited, it shoots electricity to a 10-watt heat laser. Heat lasers are very extremely powerful. Heat lasers are usually used for they call like metal cutting and etc. etc. Let me show you. Heat laser. No, heat laser images. Let's see. This is a heat laser. But check it out. The heat laser is so large. It can't fit inside a small stick of our lightsaber. So there are some types of heat laser which are just a slab and works on completely electricity. So there are some which are like small, like as wait, I'll just show you. And like small as this part from this stick, this line to this. So when it shoots, there will be a crystal over here which gives its magnificent color. Guys, color, you can put color powder also, but it's very dangerous. But crystal will make it more heated and looks cooler. I know what you're thinking. Cool, why do we need cool? Any type of heat laser. Guys, if you have seen, there are different kinds, green, blue, purple. So you need to have like a fashion. I am rich, that this thing that shows not rich. I am like this powerful, that it shows. So colors are good. So now let's go for the next part. How to make a laser stop. Guys, you know lasers are like infinite. You take a laser, not that heat laser and all, don't buy it, it's damn costly. You just take a normal laser if you have. Shown it from here to the end of your house. You can literally see that because a laser is infinite. And because this is a heat laser, our normal laser goes not like a strip but only makes a mark. But heat lasers make a mark like this. Understood? So like that. Now, but if it is unendable, like by probably it might go from the other side of the world to the other side, like come back like that. That's not possible, but think if it could. So guys, we use plasma. So guys, I'll tell you what is plasma. Plasma. So guys, plasma is a liquid. You're shocked, right? Plasma is a liquid. Guys, I'm sure some people have seen like some ball like this, which has a small core in the center, and when you touch anywhere, it shoots electricity. Plasma is that. Example this. Guys, let me tell you, you don't get confused. Plasma is the fourth state of matter. I know in our school, even they are still teaching us, or also after this thing, they teach us there are three states of matter. But scientific researchers prove that not only three are there, there are 22 states of matter, including solid, liquid, gas. There are like dark matter, plasma, Bose-Einstein condensativity. I mean, I spelled wrong. Then also time, crystal, etc., etc., etc. So what is plasma? How is it made? Guys, plasma, you might be thinking, it's so difficult to make it. It's simple. It's like simple. So simple. So guys, you know the first state of matter, which is solid. So solid, what it does, when you heat it, it becomes water. Now put it in a glass jar. Don't try it at home, it might blast, and it's very, very, very dangerous. This was what happened, a scientist did, so I'm just explaining you. After he melted the ice, he put a cap on the glass jar. So it was not a small cap like we put like iron caps and all. It was a tight cap. Means if you needed to remove, you needed to like hit it hardly and remove. And to his shock, after 3 or 4 days, by becoming gas, it became more heated. And the more heat couldn't do anything. All the atoms were getting divided and the protons and neutrons literally evaporated like water. And what was left with us was only electrons. So guys, I told you in the heat laser there will be a battery in our lightsaber. So you can't tell it's a plasma, it's only electrons. But in plasma, these electrons roam faster than light. I'm not kidding guys, it roams faster than light. I'll give you an example. Guys, what is in the middle of our solar system? I'll give you exactly 5 seconds to know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the sun is in the middle of our solar system. Now guess what? Is our sun, which matter is our sun? Some people might tell dark matter, some people tell solid because it's sun. It gets compressed inside its weight. Some people tell gas because it gives off harmful rays. Some people tell water because it is like flow, it has waves and all. But all of these answers are wrong. The answer is plasma. I know you're shocked, but guys, our sun is a plasma. So it's a big ball of plasma. So what happens? I know you're a bit shocked, like how it should be liquid, it should be gas, right? Gas because it gives out harmful rays. Water, liquid because it is like it gives these curvatures and all. If you have seen in movies, they are both. So plasma is nothing but air and liquid mix. You have heard of semi-solid, if I'm sure, right? Semi-solid is like curd, ghee, butter, I mean melted butter, like that. So this time it's not semi-solid, it's liquid air, semi-liquid. So you're shocked, you never heard this, but it's actually true. So how to make plasma? Simple. We'll have another hole. It collects all the things like air, everything, and after that it starts heating it up very hotly. So because of heating up and up and up, what happens exactly is totally shocking. It becomes plasma. Guys, can you see this? You can actually tell this is a form of plasma. A basic form of plasma is heat laser. So like that. So when the laser, it will go infinite, right? But the plasma will be making infinite plasma because there is a lot of air, and infinite battery for the our heat laser because there is air and atoms, of course. Means from the battery, when the electrons are still going, it can make more new batteries and be sending it. So like that, plasma it will make, and it has two small tubes in the side of where the laser is going. If this is where from our laser is going, here there will be two plasma tubes which will collect atoms, heat it up and make plasma, and will be making continuously. So when we press a button, let's think the button is over here, where this is a heat laser, guys, but let's think this is a lightsaber. So here's a button. If I just press that there, oh sorry, my fault. If I just press that over there, the heat laser starts shooting itself, and the plasma will also shoot inside the heat laser. I mean, it goes like pew 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 pew. And because it is plasma, and plasma is type of liquid and gas, gas can flow anywhere. It's not used to gravitational force, but water does, and this is both. So however you hold, it stops. It goes for a length and stop. If we need short length, we can put more plasma. If we need longer length, we can put less plasma, so it holds. So adding plasma to a heat laser is what is a lightsaber. Guys, I know you're like, why did you take 13 minutes or something like to explain this? And see guys, I want to explain you each one by one, so you understand. Guys, I'll tell you one thing. Now also many people will be like, nah, that's impossible. I'll tell you how it is possible. Guys, in the Stone Age, I know Stone Age is in history, like about 2.5 million years ago. People were like, nah, there won't be anything like shooting automatically. And now, today, if they had seen us, we have guns, we have missiles. I'm not kidding. So of course, why can't a lightsaber be in the future? And also there was a YouTube channel. He showed how to make a lightsaber using plasma fan. I'll just show you. Plasma fan. Oh. Whatever plasma, what he told, plasma fan is like a fan. You know fan. Like when it is hot we put it. Fan which has plasma and is shooting it, but it's very dangerous because the iron gets shooted upon, and the metal has more chances to burn than having plasma shooted inside the laser. So plasma fan is a bit dangerous. Now now let's come to the conclusion. Can we make a lightsaber or not? Yes, we can, and we can make it today only. I mean, I can't make you and show it in a video, but we can make if we have proper technology, and we have that. Guys, plasma fan, I know you're like shocked, why can't we use that? It's dangerous. Melting metal is actually dangerous. Now, let's check how much money it might happen. Guys, heat laser, probably some $20,000. Okay, because it's actually very expensive. Now, because it's a miniature one, let's take it to $21,000. Okay, then crystal, of course, let's take any type of crystal. 100 some $10,000, let's think it will become $31,000. $1,000 will take for the button, so $32,000. Then let's take for the covering, battery, this thing, that thing, it will become $50,000, which is at least $90,000. And now let's convert it. Money converter. Okay guys, so I'll just show you Indian rupee wise. Okay, where is dollar, US dollar, and Indian rupee? So $1 today, 28th July, is 82 rupees of India. So now how much did I tell? 90,000. So 90,000. Guys, it's about tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 74 lakh, 3,377. 74 lakhs. Now let's think about plasma fan. Okay, now plasma fan, it will at least become about not 90,000, it will be about some 105,000, no, $100,000. Okay, 100,000. And now check out the rate, 82 lakhs. Guys, so also we are saving money, plus it's because of the maintenance. We need a lot of maintenance if the plasma fan breaks off. So think of that. So how did you like my video? Please subscribe and like to my channel. And my goal is about 10k subscribers. And also don't forget to give some very good comments and tell me what should I do in my next video. I have some plans, but if you just give me an idea, I'll do it. And whoever gives the most idea, like thing tomorrow, like they tell please do this, and it comes like 20, and the other one please do that, it comes only 10. I'll do the one which has more votes. So thank you and bye bye. See you in my next video. And don't forget that lightsaber is possible, and please share it to your friends, so your friends who tell lightsaber is next to impossible or literally impossible, they will be shocked. I'm telling you. So today is 28th July and my first science video. So thank you, like, subscribe, and bye bye.